Oh, hi. I am doing a work with me together every single day during the lockdown. Please excuse the rash. I didn't want this to stop my video from happening. Who cares? I got a rash. Okay. So this is what we've been doing for 3 weeks now. We've been working together. Anybody that wants to show up, you have any housework that you want to do during the lockdown. Now, I have this on my website, and I also sent this information out to my email list. I've said many times in my videos, subscribe to my email list because I don't always do a video on what's going on. And so you don't want to miss anything. So if you subscribe to my email list, then whatever I have going on, you'll get an email about it. And so when this whole thing happened and we've had to stay home, the first week, yeah, I was a little stunned and shocked and overwhelmed. And then the second week I said, you know what, if this is the way it's going to be right now, how can I make the best of this? And how can I help other people also? So I figured, wait, we could work together every day online, and I could help you along with anything that you need help with, and also provide some company, some real life company where we could be together. The sessions are not recorded. This is very private. What we have going on in our world right now, what we have going on in our home always, if you're living in a mess, is a very private issue. So these calls, these meetings that we have are not recorded. So you don't have to worry about like, well, I'm not going to join because I don't want anybody to know my name. I don't want anybody to see my face. Nobody will. And also, just so you know, that it is a live meeting, but you have the choice to either be seen or not seen. You can just be a fly on the wall if you want to. You could just have your picture there if you want to. Like you could just have your face there where you're talking. Like lots of people show themselves, and because it's a very safe place to be. I'll be there just like this, okay? And I work along with you. Not only am I there to help you along with any guidance that you might need or any advice, but so are the other members that have great advice about storing things and other kind of household stuff. But also, I work too. Like where you see me right now, I'm living in a renovation project, kind of, you know, and we're up to the 3rd floor now. And so what I'm doing is I'm washing the floor, I'm doing like liquid sandpaper over the floor, and you know, pulling out all of the tacks and nails and stuff, and then I'm going to paint it. And so I've been doing projects as we've been together, okay? I'm with you, okay? So that's that. I hope you will sign up. Go to my website, thetidytutor.com. And if you do, right on my homepage, I have a link you can click. And when you click on that link, it brings you to a page with all kinds of information on it and the link where you can register for these meetings, okay? Now, today, we're meeting today, so I hope you can make it at 11:30 a.m. New York time. We're going to be off on Sunday, but then Monday, we're going to begin again with a new time. If you register in that link, you'll be registered for all of them. I'm going to use the same link for every single time change. So you don't have to worry about having to register again. Register once, keep that link that you're sent that says, okay, here's how you can get into the meeting. Copy that link and keep it somewhere, and you'll always have a place to go to, you know, to click on so that you can go to the meeting. Now, if it turns out that you lose that link, no worries. You could either email me for the link, or you could just go back to where you signed up. Sign up again, you'll get sent another link, okay? So I hope to see you today. I hope that you get on my email list so you never miss this kind of thing again. And I hope that you're blessed in your heart, and I hope that there's some way that I could help you if you need any kind of help during this time, okay? All right, thetidytutor.com. I don't know if I mentioned it. Okay, so go to thetidytutor.com, TIDYTUTOR.com, and that's where you'll find the link to register, okay? Love yous. Bye.